Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Thursday, November 5th, day before non-farm payroll. We're going to take a look at crude oil. And once again, we're going to look at the pivot trend indicator, the MQ pivot trend, which is pointing out the pivots for our trends with a 500 tick chart. So what we're looking at here is how you actually manage your stops when you are in a trade, a pivot trend trade. So for example, let's say you took a short on crude oil as it was breaking down, which a lot of us did in the trading room today, worked out fairly well. As crude comes down, we continue to put in lower highs and lower lows. So trend stays bearish because we have those lower highs and lower lows. So let's say, for example, you had shorted up here on a bear flag, on this 500 tick bear flag. What does that mean? So how do you manage your stop? Well, initial stop is going to be above the high of the flag. Then we're going to come down and wait. As soon as we put in this lower pivot high, we're going to trail our stop just above that pivot high. Come down, put another lower pivot high, trail our stop just above that pivot high. Same thing all the way down, and that gets us out right around 45.69. Now, the reason you manage your trade this way and trail your stop behind each lower pivot high is because the definition of a downtrend is lower high and lower low pivots. So if we continue to put in lower highs and lower lows, we'll stay in the trade. The trend will stay lower and we stay in it for the entire distance of the trade. So a lot of times you'll be able to get into a trade and catch a huge down move as the market just continues to trend lower, or up move if you're long and continues to trend higher. And then as soon as the market goes into consolidation or starts to reverse, so it breaks the previous pivot high or breaks the previous pivot low in an uptrend, then you're going to get out. And then you can look to re-enter after the trend resumes. So that's just one way of managing stops using the pivot trend indicator. One of the other advantages you have with using this type of indicator for your trade. That's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget, we do have non-farm payroll at 8:30 tomorrow morning. So make sure you're in the futures trading room at 8 a.m. for the pre-news review. So we go over everything before the announcement comes out. All right, that's all I have for you for today. And until next time, happy trading.